Welcome to Millennial Dudes. In today's video we are going to show you how to make a fully functional window form for as little as $5. This system requires no pump, is eco-friendly and easy to make. To build the window form you will need kebab sticks, scissors, a carpet knife, side cutter, cable ties, an electric drill, cotton rope, glue gun and growing medium such as cocoa peat. As you can see, the body or structure of the window form is made up of plastic bottles. Step 1. Use a carpet knife and scissors to remove the bottom part of the bottle. Do this for all bottles in the design. Repeat this step until you have enough bottles. We used 4 bottles in this step. Step 2. Make some holes for cable ties using a sharp object. You can also use a soldering iron. Step 3. We will be drilling some holes into the bottle caps. A small drill bit, about 2 to 4 millimeters will do. In 2 of these bottle caps, you need to drill 1 center hole. These will come under the reservoir bottles. Next, thread cotton rope through the hole. This will ensure a steady flow rate from the reservoir bottle. Make sure to tie a knot on the inside of the cap to prevent the string from slipping through. Screw the bottle cap back onto one of the bottles. Cut the rope to the correct length and just like that you have a water reservoir. For the rest of the bottles you will drill 4 holes. Step 4. Making of the collecting bottle. Use the glue gun to glue around the cap. Push the cap into the smallest part of the cut bottle. Insert this cap at the bottom of the bottle. Cut some pipe to the length that you want the drainage pipe to be. Get a pipe that will fit over the bottle's opening. We used a 40 mm pipe. Insert these pipes at the bottom of the collecting bottles. Step 5. Installing the window form. Attach the bottles to the window frame with cable ties. The reservoir bottles go at the top, followed by the grow bed bottles in the middle, and then the collecting bottles at the bottom. Cut away excess cable ties with a side cutter. Next we will be getting our growing medium ready. You can use cocoa peat or palm peat. Follow the instructions as stipulated on the packaging. Our instructions was for 5 liters of water to be added to the cocoa peat block, which will make 9 liters in the end. Leave the cocoa peat block for about 10 minutes, then turn it and leave for another 10 minutes. This is what it will look like after 20 minutes. Add the cocoa peat to all the bottles except for the top row. You can also add cocoa peat to the collecting bottles.
I think pessimism irks, but right now I'm pessimist. Open about it. I'm also hopeful. And there's 2 of me.
We found that erosion occurs and we fixed this by placing extra bottle caps just above the cocoa peat. Maintenance. Place an empty bucket under the pipes to capture all the water. You can reuse this water a couple of times. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing so that you'll be notified when we release new videos. If you want to help spread the culture of sustainability and urban farming, go to our t-shirt shop and order yourself a t-shirt.